Hey everybody, welcome back and happy Sunday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Sunday morning. I'm doing great and always excited to be presenting you guys with more remote work opportunities. So, we're going to go ahead and get into it. I do have a non-phone job along with another job for you today. For right now on the screen, I do have some reviews from my clients who have taken advantage of my resume review and revamping services. And my client Julie, who was a massage therapist, she was having a hard time, landing a remote job. And I revamped her resume and she was able to land a job pretty quickly. So that's always a blessing. So if you need assistance with your resume, it doesn't matter the industry. I can revamp any resume. So if you tried AI, you tried different things, they have not worked for you, it may be time to get a human to review your resume, someone who knows the industry in and out, because I've worked so many remote jobs over the last 15 years. I'd be happy to assist you. And if you're on a budget, I do have Afterpay available for you as well. So let's start off with the no phone job. And this one is coming from the University of Wisconsin-Madison. The University of Wisconsin-Madison was founded in 1848, and they are the flagship campus of the University of Wisconsin system. And they are ranked number 36 in national universities for 2026. Now, they do have an opportunity as an undergraduate application reader. Now, this is going to be part-time, and you're not going to be on the phone or anything. You're going to be reviewing applications. Now, just to give you guys a little bit of information, I did apply for this job, I think a couple of years ago, and I was invited to the next steps. And at that time, they did have me take some sort of test. I don't really remember a lot about it, but I know I did not pass that test, okay? So I don't know if they still do that, but I just want to give you guys a heads up just in case they do, okay? So it's going to be a temporary part-time position, and you're going to be reviewing applications, and this is going to include a detailed review of transcripts, school profiles, activities, essays, letters of recommendation, test scores. You should have the availability to work a minimum of 20 hours per week during peak fall and winter reading season, and most hours are going to be worked within traditional business hours of your time zone. Prior experience in the field of college admissions, higher education, or high school education is preferred, but it's not required. Now, to avoid conflicts of interest, candidates for this position must not currently be employed as an admissions professional, high school counselor, or independent college counselor or coach or agent, and you should not be the parent of a rising junior or senior in high school. And the start date is going to be October 6, 2026. You must be able to attend all training dates, and of course it's going to be virtual. It's going to be 4 different dates. So it's going to be Tuesday, October 6th, Thursday the 8th, Tuesday the 13th, and Thursday the 15th. And it'll be 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time each day. So I appreciate the fact that they're giving us the training times, because this does help those of you who are already, employed during that time, not to even waste your time with this application. And so they're going to provide you with equipment, which is great. And I do have the compensation highlighted for you. This one does not require a degree, which a lot of these type of jobs do require a degree. They do just want you to be able to communicate clearly and effectively, have exceptional attention to detail, be able to work independently, and located in the U.S. for the 2026-2027 school year, and be able to work 4 to 8 hours a day. Now, they do prefer those of you who have experience in college admissions, higher education, or high school education. That's a preference, it's not a requirement. And they also prefer a bachelor's degree, but it's not a requirement, okay? They do want a resume and a cover letter with this application. So I always tell you guys, make sure you have a cover letter handy at all times. You never know when you're gonna need it. And so make sure you submit your application with your cover letter and your resume, because if you do not, then your application will not be reviewed and you will not be considered for the position. So great no phone opportunity for you guys, and any of you guys who have worked, online scoring for Measurement Incorporated, Pearson, DRC, you guys would really love this opportunity, and you definitely would qualify for this opportunity. So make sure to get your applications in as soon as possible. Next up, we have the company Clear Results. So, this is the largest provider of energy efficiency, energy transition, and sustainability services in North America. And so, right now, Clear Result has a remote processing specialist. So, they're available in many locations. Check out these locations to see if you see yours on the list. Now, this does sound like a no phone job, but it actually isn't because it says down here that you're going to be on the phone. But basically, it's going to involve data entry and validation of energy rebate requests, and also you'll have to meet KPIs and contribute to the process improvements of a team-based environment. So that's pretty much all they say about this job right here. And so in terms of the qualifications, they're not looking for much at all, just previous experience in data entry, that's a plus. Also, organizational skill and experience with Microsoft Office applications is a plus as well. They want you to have the flexibility to work split shifts. They're going to provide you with equipment, which is great. So I'm assuming that people are going to call in and you're going to be processing those rebates. And so I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. They also provide a $65 a month internet stipend. Oh yeah, these are all the opportunities that I have for you today. I will be back tomorrow with 4 or more jobs for you. But don't forget that I do include these opportunities on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every video. And again, if you need any type of assistance with your resume, definitely check out my services. That link is in the description bar for you as well. You guys know that I appreciate you so much for watching. Leave any questions or comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.